Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start our lesson. How are you, my lovely girls? Are you okay? Okay, let's start. Today we'll answer the booklet. Okay, so first let's write the lesson vocab. As you see, the first word impact, the second one migrate, the third one mold, the fourth one dormant, and then hibernate. Okay, let's choose the correct word here, or the correct answer. Number one, camellia bushes lose their leaves when the temperature become warmer or colder. Of course colder, because when it is warmer, what the problem? There is no problem. But when it is colder, the animal or most of animals and the plant, they cannot survive in the cold temperature. So it will lose their leaves when the temperature become colder. Number two, the environment gives living things that they need to what? The environment give things, living things, what they need to survive or to die. Yeah, of course, to survive. The third one here, bison grow thick fur to keep warm during winter or summer. We need a thick fur, or the animal need a thick fur, like you need a thick jacket. Why? In which season? In winter or summer? Yeah, of course, in winter. Number four, camellia bushes lose their what when the temperature become colder? Can it lose their leaves or roots? Of course, roots cannot, because how the plant can grow again? But can lose their leaves. By the way, this in the booklet, page 26, the previous one, and now 27, okay? We are in the booklet, page 27 now, okay? So, number five, in which season bison shed or shedding their fur? In spring or summer? Now, it is hot, the season change, and no need for this thick fur, so it will be in summer, okay? After that, changes in the environment, question number two, changes in the environment are caused by three things, we said: humans, other organism, and right, natural events. Number two, during the dry season can sorry, what happened? So again, during the dry season, cladiums can become what? Take a rest, go into a state of rest, dormant. Number three, in spring, bison shedding their fur, of course. Number four, before winter, butterflies migrate to a warmer place where they can find. Why they migrate? Because they can find what? More what? The most important thing to live. So they can find food, right? Number five, Denali National Park is covered by, we said it covered by what and start to melt now? Covered by glaciers, right? Now 28, but true or false? And pine trees keep their leaves when temperature become warmer. Keep their leaves, that's right? Yes, false, of course. Okay. Number two, when bats hibernate, they need more food. When hibernate, when you are sleeping, that means you need more food? Of course, false. It needs less food. Okay? It starts to hibernate in cold weather because there is no food, because there is less food. Okay? So it's a way to adaptation. Number three, glaciers begin to melt. Mosquitoes become more. True, yeah, correct, of course. Number four, when the environment changes, plants and animals are affected. True or false? Yes, right, of course, true. Number five, some changes are fast, as when a wildfire kills plants. So can I say that wildfire is a fast change? Of course, true. It's a fast change, happen fast. Question 4, we will match, okay? Number 1, beavers cut down trees. Beavers, this is the living thing or the organism that can change the environment. So cut down trees to build what? It need to build what? Yeah, right, dams. Number 2, the mosquitoes feed on, what is the food? Feed on carboplatin. Great. Number 3, what is the meaning of go into a state of rest? A food and water, or migrate, or dormant? Yeah, of course, dormant. Number 4, means to another moves to another location. This is the meaning of the word migrate. The last one, the roots of caladiums store what? It store food and water, okay? Thank you so much. After that, question 5. Write the scientific term of each sentence here. Number 1, when animals shedding and then regrow their body covering. We have 3 ways of adaptation. We said what? If you remember the song, migration, hibernation, and molt. So it will be what? Molt. Number 2, stay in a state of rest during winter when there is no food. Yes, hibernation. The third one, strong effect, means the word impact. Right, great. Question number 6 here. Let's complete the following sentence with the correct choice. Number 1, some animals hibernate in winter when there is what food? Different or more or less? Of course, less food, okay? Number 2, some animals, what? Died or molt or shedding and regrow their fur. The word shedding their fur and regrow again means what? Means molt, of course. So the first one less and the second one molt. Number 3, human actions such as what? Could cause the animal to migrate and find a new habitat. Such as what? What is a human actions? Like what? Like cutting down trees, of course. Number 4, plants respond to changes in their environment by becoming what? Yeah, by becoming dormant. Go into a state of rest. Go into a state of rest. Yes. Okay. Amazing, girls. Here we will write each survival response into the correct box. So number 1, you have an answer key. You have a correct word. If you see this word, so you know the meaning or you know which response the animal can take. So number 1, skunks or any animals. If I said any animals, rest. When you see the word rest within, less food is available. Rest. So it will be rest. It will be, yes, hibernation, of course. Number 2, when I say this animal fly south for the winter, fly into another place, moved into another place, so it will be migration. Number 3, shedding. The snakes here shedding their skin as they grow again, so this is molting, of course. Again, in number 4, birds here find a cave nearby to rest for a winter. So rest, what? Hibernation? Right. Okay. Number 5, ducks shedding their fur. Shedding, when you see the word shedding, so it is molting. The last one, sharks swim to warmer temperature. Move to warmer temperature, so it will be migration. The last thing here, explain the behavior of the fish. As you see here, there is a danger to live in this place. So the fish can be what? The fish will migrate. Yes. Thank you so much, girls.